Coming up, the twins are heading to a party at a farm. Join the twins on all their fun and wholesome adventures.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on! Uh-oh, the rain is back.
Oh no!
But that won't stop the twins. Not today. They've got their gumboots on and are heading to a friend's birthday party. And guess what? It's happening at the famous Byron Bay Farm. Let the muddy fun begin.
Wow!
What a great place for a party. The kiddos are having a ball.
Here we are.
Look at this cheeky ibis. It's not really a farm animal, but I think it really wants to be one.
After the birthday cake was gobbled up, it was time for an adventure to explore the farm and meet all the animals who call it home.
No way. Check out these baby goats. Hello, fellas.
Be really gentle.
Oh no, the twins have dropped their umbrella and it's landed right in the goat enclosure. What will the goats do?
Mum and Dad Goat don't look too impressed. Thankfully, help is on its way.
Thankfully, the kind farmer was there to help.
Nice.
Let's not drop the umbrella again. Do you know what baby goats are called? They're actually called kids. Isn't that funny? Just like you. These two little ones are only 6 weeks old.
Wow!
Oh, so cute.
So why are farms important? Farms are really special places. They're where so much of our food comes from, like fresh fruit, crunchy vegetables, eggs, milk, and even bread. Farmers work hard every day, rain or shine, to grow the things we need to stay healthy and strong. Farms also give animals a safe and happy home. Cows, chickens, sheep, and even bees all have important jobs to do. And when we visit a farm, we learn how to care for nature, how plants grow, and how animals live. It's amazing to see where our food really comes from. Not just the shops, but the soil, the sunshine, and the love that farmers put into their work. That's why farms are so important. They help take care of us, the animals, and the earth.
Jeepers creepers.
The twins had such a fun day at the farm Byron Bay. We highly recommend you check it out too.
Okay.
Now it's time to wave goodbye to all the animals, grab one last party treat, and give a big hug to our friends, because something wild is on the way. A cyclone is coming. Batten down the hatches. Join the twins as they get ready for the storm, learn how to stay safe, and explore the trail of twists and tumbles the cyclone leaves behind. They'll discover how nature helps protect us, even when the weather gets wild.
Goodbye.